Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Open your phonics book on the page number is 17. First of all, you have to write the date on the top of the page. Our next word is double F. Double F sound is F. F. First word which pronounce muff. Muff. Cuff. Cuff. Huff. Huff. Gruff. Gruff. Cliff. Cliff. Stiff. Stiff. Sniff. Sniff. Stuff. 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 Off. Off. Okay, dear students, read these words at least 10 times or 15 times, whatever you want. After this work, then you have to match the column with same words. For example, first word is cliff, then you match the cliff is cliff. Cuff, cuff. Gruff, gruff. Huff, huff. Muff, muff. Off, off. Puff, puff. Sniff, sniff. Stuff, stuff. Stiff, stiff. All these words you have in the dictation words, sound words. Okay, dear students, our next page is page number 18. And our question is make and write double F words. We have some words and have double F. इन वर्ड्स को आपने डबल एफ के साथ में मैच करके एक वर्ड बनाना है और एक वर्ड को आपने वो वर्ड कंप्लीट करके आपने यहाँ पे 2 टाइम्स लिखना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज ओ डबल एफ ऑफ ऑफ ऑफ. सी यू डबल एफ कफ कफ. एच यू डबल एफ हफ हफ. पी यू डबल एफ पफ puff. GRU double F gruff gruff. SNI double F sniff sniff. STA double F stuff stuff. STU double F stuff stuff. Next question is circle and write the double F words. You have some words. Choose the correct word, which is double F word, and write the word on this line. So, first word is ring. It's a wrong word. Cliff. Cliff is double F word. Its sound is cliff. First word cliff, right here. Second is sniff. Circle the word and write here. Right here, sniff. Second is gruff. GRUFF gruff. Right here. And fourth one is stuff. STUFF stuff. Right here. And the next one is cuff. CUFF cuff. Cuff is right on here. Okay, dear students. Complete your work very well. Take care of yourself and watch my videos. Allah Hafiz.